Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out a t-shirt. This is our cosmic black hole. Got lots of nice deep colors on this one. The last one like this we made turned out really good, so I'm quite excited to see how this one does. These are kind of hard to wash out because they're so tightly wound together, but do the best we can out here with the cold water.
Alright, that's what I have to do.
To the inside?
Yeah.
All that navy coming out of it. Getting it unbended. We haven't done one like this in quite a while, so very interested to see. Colors in there. What we got? Ooh,
Pull down
look
the
at
bottom.
that.
Just pull like the front. Yeah.
Yeah, there's the front. Hold the top.
It's okay. I got it. No worries.
Okay.
Can't really tell.
Nice. Still looks pretty cool though.
Yeah.
You'll be able to see better when we wash it out.
Okay.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. So, not exactly what we were intending. We've done one like this before that was a black hole pattern, which is a bullseye with a new black and then a tricolor on two separate tricolor rings on it. And I think this one just probably didn't get quite enough new black. As you can see, the sleeve came out good, but all the rest, like this, didn't get enough in here and all. But still made a very cool shirt, a very cool tricolor rainbow effect. We only used, 3 color dyes to make that. Not counting the black, of course. But yeah, still came out pretty cool. We're gonna go back and review how we did the first one, but I think we just didn't put enough black on it. But we'll check and see and figure out what we need to do to get this one better, make this one look right. But yeah, I don't know. Let us know what you think in the comments below and whether or not you like it. It's not too bad. But yeah, alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.